Sunday, and it's a beautiful day. We're down here at the markets at Cleveland. Got to get our kombucha refilled. Got our kombucha. Now we're going to make our way around the markets, check this place out, and then have a bit of a look around Cleveland while we're down here.
I'll do a better deal. I'll give you no Cleveland, please. Just give me 55 for the spoon.
This guy's awesome. It's been a great morning so far down here at the markets at Cleveland. We've grabbed a whole bunch of fruit, got our kombucha, and it's time for a hot coffee. Okay, this next bit might not make a heap of sense, so I thought I'd quickly explain to you what is just about to happen. I'm standing here, Bob's standing there, and my mum's standing there. Bob's my mum's partner. I've just filmed this bit that you're about to see, throwing the rubbish into the bin. I hear this bird come flying over my head, cheep, 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 lands in the tree over here in my front yard. Another native bird comes flying in at this bird to attack it. I call out when it's in the tree to the bird, come here, come here. And then, bam, the bird starts flying towards us. I've got the camera in my hand. I rip out the camera. Mum and Bob continue calling the bird. And by this point when it's flying over, I've got the camera out. The bird lands on Bob's hand. I start recording. I take the bird straight off Bob and race over towards the house. Hop inside. And this is where it continues. Hey baby, it's okay. It's okay, darling. They won't hurt you anymore. Oh wow. I've literally just had this bird rock up. It's okay. Holy crap, guys. I've just literally seen this cockatiel flying through the air. It was being chased by another bird. And Dad said I've called out to it and gone, come here baby, come here. And it flew over to us. Here you go, darling. He was super hungry. Hey? I'm gonna have to find out where you've come from, mate.
Pretty? Oh,
Mum, say hello to YouTube.
hello, YouTube.
This little guy's all chilled out now and relaxed. Foot up in the air, grooming. Loving life. Okay, I've got that bird all settled in nicely. He's just chilling out. And I've got all the gear here that I need. I've got my wheelbarrow to transport the stuff down there. I've got my zip ties, silt barrier, and the star pickets. Let's go down there and shield off the environment from getting any of this garbage in it. If this is the first one of my vlogs that you guys have seen, and you're wondering what the hell is this guy doing right now, check out my other vlogs. It'll all make sense. Let's get this done before the rain hits. All done. Hopefully it helps. Safe and sound. Time for a shower. See you tomorrow, guys. You've had a big day, haven't you? You just have a rest, baby.